Happy morning, my dear children. The last class we learned about that some of the reactions about the alcohols. It's very important for about the oxidation of glycol and about the oxidation of glycerol. Am I right? That's a very important question, easy question also. Anyhow, today we have to learn about the preparation of phenol. Okay? Our learning objectives to learn about the preparation of phenol. We have four preparation. One is about that first one is from Dow's process. Second one is about that from sulfonic acid, how will you prepare phenol. The third one is about that from aniline, how will you prepare phenol. Next about the industrial preparation, that is about from cumin, how will you prepare phenol. Okay, one is from Dow's process phenol, that is from chlorobenzene, how will you prepare phenol. Second one from sulfonic acid, how will you prepare phenol. The third one is about from aniline, how will you prepare phenol. The next one is about from cumin, how will you prepare phenol. These are all important, especially for the Dow's process and cumin. It's a very important question. Please all of you try to learn this question. Anyhow, before the preparation, we have to learn what are the classifications of phenol. What is about the phenol? The phenol that having one of the OH group. This OH group is attached to the benzene ring. One of the benzene ring. We learn about the benzene. Am I right? The previous class we learned about the benzene. The formula for benzene is C6H6. Am I right? Here C6H6. One of the hydrogen is replaced by adding OH. So the name of the compound is phenol. We get the formula is C6H5OH. Am I right? This is about the phenol. That also we learn it. Anyhow, what are the classifications of phenol? What are the classifications? That is monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol and trihydric phenol. One more having substituted phenol. What is about the monohydric phenol? One of the benzene having only one OH group. That is about the monohydric. What is about the dihydric? One of the benzene having two OH group. That is about the dihydric phenol. What is about the trihydric? One of the benzene having three OH group. That is about the trihydric phenol. Here, the phenol C6H5OH, that is benzene with OH, nearest to the functional group, maybe or right side or left side, nearest to the functional group, that position is called as an ortho position. Clear? That is functional group C6H5OH. OH is the functional group. Near to the OH, nearest place is about the ortho position. Next, after the ortho, that is about the meta position. And the functional group OH to the opposite, it is about the para position. I will write the formulas. Okay, try to learn this one. Okay, ortho, meta, para. Okay, ortho we are giving the number 2 and the meta we are giving the number 3 and also para we are giving the number 3. Okay, and also we have some substituted phenol. It's a very interesting lesson. Please all of you take the note. We can draw the structure of this compound. Okay, please all of you take the note. Dear children, today our learning objectives to learn about the preparation of phenol. Okay, the preparation of phenol. Before that, we should be learn about what are the types of phenol. Okay, what is about the monohydric phenol, dihydric phenol, trihydric phenol and also substituted phenol. This we need to learn this area. Then only we can be learn about the preparation of phenol. First, what are phenol? Phenols are organic compounds. Phenols means one of an organic compounds in which a OH group is directly attached to a benzene ring. The OH group, one of the OH group is directly attached to benzene ring. Okay, one of the benzene ring. Previous video I told you about the benzene ring. What is about the benzene formula? C6H6. So anyhow, one of the OH group is attached to benzene ring. Okay, the carbon bearing OH group is sp2 hybridized. One word question. The carbon bearing the OH group is sp2 hybridized. Clear? Okay, this is about the phenol. Now, let us learn about what are the classification of phenols. What are the classifications of phenol? Okay, here first one is about that monohydral phenol. Monohydral. Monohydral phenol. First we shall be learn about that phenol. This is one of the benzene ring. Double bond, next single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond. Alternative bond, okay? That means one single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, like that. Okay, this is one of the benzene ring. Here the benzene ring, OH group, one of the OH group is attached. Okay? One of the OH group is directly attached to a benzene ring. This is called what? Phenols. Okay, phenols. So anyhow, what is the formula of phenol? That's the important. What is the formula? Okay, here in this area we are giving the number 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The functional group we are giving the number. Am I right? So here having only carbon is yellow. Carbon. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon. So number of carbon is 6. C6. Okay, next about the hydrogen. Here is no hydrogen. Here having 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 5 hydrogen. Okay, so H5. H5. The functional group is OH. So the formula is C6H5OH. This is the structural formula of phenol. Anyhow, what is about the molecular formula of phenol? The molecular formula, how much carbon is there? C6. Okay, C6 is there. Carbon C6. Hydrogen H5 plus 1. So we get H6. Oxygen having one of an oxygen. So the formula is C6H6O. Okay, C6H6O. This is the molecular formula of phenol. Okay, the molecular formula of phenol is C6H6O. Okay, so this is the structural formula. C6H5OH. Anyhow, this is the monohydral phenol. Anyhow, they are having some monohydral phenol. Other also having some compounds about the monohydral phenol. Okay, that means in phenol we are adding one more alkyl group, one of an alkyl group. For example, methyl group. Okay, that means this is the phenol, am I right? Here, in this phenol, then from this is the functional group, am I right? Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Nearest to the functional group that we are saying ortho position. Okay? The nearest to the functional, it is about the ortho. Next ortho. After that ortho, it is a meta position. Functional group opposite. Okay, opposite is about the para. Don't forget that. The functional group, nearest to the functional group, it is ortho. Nearest to ortho, meta. Next, opposite to the functional, it is a para position. So, we are writing another more compounds, that is in the ortho position I am adding CH3 group. Okay, in the ortho position I am adding CH3 group. So the name of the compound is orthocresol. What is the name of the compound? Arthocresol. This is about the common name. Okay. Anyhow, for the phenol, common name is also phenol and also the IUPAC name also phenol. Both are the same name. Phenol, the common name, and also the IUPAC name also same name. Phenol. About here, we should be say the IUPAC name for the Arthocresol. What is the IUPAC name? Okay, we give the number. Start with the functional group OH number 1, 2, okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, second carbon having methyl group. Which group? Methyl group. So we can be say 2-methyl. The name of this compound is phenol. Am I right? Second carbon having methyl. So the name of the compound is, this is an IUPAC name, 2-methyl phenol. What's the name of the compound? IUPAC name, 2-methyl phenol. Clear? Have a doubt? Next one. Here the first question is artho, the next question is a meta. So I am adding here CH3. So what's the name of this compound? Metacresol. Metacresol. So can you say what's the name of the compound? IUPAC name. What's the IUPAC name of this compound? That is, you give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third carbon having methyl group. Here second carbon having methyl group. Here third carbon having methyl group. So the name is 3-methyl. 3-methyl. The total compound name is phenol. 3-methyl phenol. Okay. Calm down. Next about we can learn about the one more compound. That is about the paragresol. Para means just opposite to the functional group. Just opposite to the functional group. This is about the paragresol. Am I right? Methyl group we are adding. So we give the number. Start with the functional group. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fourth carbon having methyl group. Can you say what's the name of the compound? 4-methyl phenol. 4-methyl phenol. What's the common name? Paragresol. What's the common name? Paragresol. Clear? Have any doubt? So anyhow, try to understand what are the classifications of monohydric phenol. Classifications of monohydric phenol. That is, one is arthocresol. That is, artho position one of the methyl group is present. Next about the metacresol. That is, a meta position one of the methyl group is present. Next about the paracresol. That is about the para position one of the methyl is present there. Okay. So these are about the monohydric phenol. Okay. Next about we can learn about that dihydric phenol. Okay. Dihydric phenol means the compound having 2 hydroxyl group. The phenol compound having 2 hydroxyl. That is benzene. One of the benzene contain 2 hydroxyl group. Okay. This is one of the dihydroxy because they are having 2 OH group. One is the functional group is OH. The nearest artho position one of the OH. Artho position one of the OH. Next one is OH. Artho. Next one is meta position, OH. Okay. The next one is OH, just opposite OH. Okay, para position. Okay. Here, what is about the ortho position OH? Second one is the meta position OH. Next one is the para position. Okay. The ortho position OH means the name of the compound is catechol. Okay. That is about that. It's a common name, catechol. Okay. From the meta position OH means the name is resorcinol. Resorcinol. Okay. The para position OH means that the name is about that quinol. Quinol. Okay. Ortho position OH, catechol. Meta position OH is resorcinol. And about the para position OH means about the quinol. First, we should be learn about this is the common name. Can you say what is about the IUPAC name? IUPAC name. Okay. That is start with number 1 here. Function 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, first position having one of the OH. Second position also having one of the OH. So we can give the number 1, 2. Here having 2 OH. So we can say dihydroxy. Then C. Dihydroxy. Okay. First position and second position having 2 OH group. So 1, 2 dihydroxybenzene. Can you say about the resorcinol name? Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Here having first position and also the third position having OH group. The third position. So can you say what's the name? 1, 3 dihydroxy. Benzene. Okay? Can you say this name? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 4 dihydroxy benzene. This is about the dihydrogen phenol. Next about that trihydrogen phenol. So in this type of the compound having 3 OH group. How much OH group? 3 OH group. Okay. Maybe in the first, second, third. Okay. Trihydrogen phenol. Trihydrogen phenol. Okay. First of all, you should be draw the structure of benzene. This is the structure of benzene. Am I right? OH. This is about the first compound. I am replacing this group to here. Okay. So we can give the second compound. OH. Here. Okay, para position. OH. Okay. Here. Next one. OH. Okay. These are all trihydrogen phenol because having 3 OH group. How much OH group is there? 3 OH group is there. Okay. So it is called as a trihydrogen phenol. Am I right? So can you say what is about the name of the compound? Okay. The first compound is called pyrogalol. Okay. What's the name of the compound? Pyrogalol. What's the name of the compound? Pyrogalol. Next about the second compound is about that hydroxyquinol. Okay, hydroxyquinol. The third compound is about that flogulcinol. Okay, this is about the trihydral phenol. The next one is about the substituted phenol. Okay, substituted there we have one is about the amino group. Next one is an aldehyde group. The third one is about the acid group. Okay, these are the three groups we have. Substituted phenol. Okay, for example, here this is about the functional group, not it is a ortho question. Don't forget that this is the functional group. Okay, nearest to the functional group, that is called what? Ortho position, meta position, and just opposite is the para position. Don't forget that. Okay, this is about, it is not an ortho, this is the functional group, the nearest to the ortho. Okay, so I am giving one of the NH2 group. What is about the NH2 group? Amino group. Which group? Amino group. Which group? Amino. NH2 means amino. So the ortho position having amino. Okay, this is number 1, 2. This is a ortho position. Ortho position having amino group. So ortho amino phenol. Ortho amino phenol. Otherwise 2 amino phenol. Okay, ortho amino phenol. Like that, meta. Second position is about the meta amino phenol. Third is about the para amino phenol. Okay. Next about one of an aldehyde. We are going to see one of an aldehyde. Okay, we have seen one of aldehyde, that is functional group is CH2. Here, this is an organic compound. This is an organic compound and nearest to ortho position having OH. So the name of the compound is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay, benzene, one of an aldehyde. So the name of the compound is benzaldehyde. The benzaldehyde here having OH group in the ortho position, so the name is called as orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Like that, here meta-hydroxybenzaldehyde, opposite is para-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay. Next about. Can you say the name of the compound? This is about the benzene. The ring is benzene. Benzene having one of the COH group. So the name is about the benzoic acid. The benzoic acid, the para position having OH group. So the name is about the para-hydroxybenzoic acid. What's the name of the compound? Para-hydroxybenzoic acid. Okay? Next about one more compound having. With the benzene group, one of the methyl group is present. So we are giving the name is toluene. Okay, toluene. Anyhow, from third position, that is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third and fifth position having OH group. Okay? Third and fifth position having OH group. So the name is 3,5 dihydroxy. The total entire compound is toluene. Okay? 3,5 dihydroxy toluene. These are about some of the organic compounds about the phenol. Anyhow, today our learning objectives to learn about the preparation of phenol. Okay, what is our learning objectives? To learn about the preparation. How is phenol prepared by Dawes process? A very, very important question. How is phenol prepared by Dawes process? One of a very important question. Try to learn this question, okay? Very, very important question, okay? How is phenol prepared? From Dow's process. First of all, we are taking the reagent is about the chlorobenzene. That is benzene. This is about the benzene carbon, am I right? Benzene. Here I am adding one of the chlorine. So the name of the compound is about the chlorobenzene. This chlorobenzene on hydrolysis with 6.8 sodium hydroxide. Okay, 6.8% of sodium hydroxide, and about the Kelvin. Temperature is about 633 Kelvin, and the pressure is about 300 pressure. Okay. Here, the hydrogen combines with the chlorine. One of the hydrogen combines with the chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. The sodium, that is NaO, will be attached to the benzene ring. The NaO, okay, will be attached to the benzene ring. So we get the compound benzene ring NaO. We can write ONA, not NaO. We should write. Why we are writing that? ONA, sodium phenoxide. The name of the compound is what? Sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, and we are adding as hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. So here the sodium combines with the chlorine to form NaCl, and the hydrogen group is attached to the O. We get phenol. Okay. What's the name of the compound? Phenol. This is the preparation of phenol. Dow's process is a very, very important question. Please all of you try to learn this question. Okay. Very important question. How will you prepare phenol by Dow's process? Okay. First is about that chlorobenzene, and this is chlorobenzene on react with the 6.8% of sodium hydroxide, and about the temperature is about 633 Kelvin, and about the pressure is about 300 bar. We get the compound is sodium phenoxide. What is the formula for sodium phenoxide? C6H5O Na, sodium phenoxide, and also followed by the hydrolysis. We are adding hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis. We get phenol, okay, plus sodium chloride. This is about the preparation of phenol by Dow's process. Okay. Next about that, from benzene sulfuric acid. Benzene sulfuric acid. How will you prepare phenol? That's the question. Benzene sulfuric acid. How will you prepare phenol? That's the question. The name of the compound is benzene sulfuric acid. Okay, benzene sulfuric acid. From benzene sulfuric acid, how will you prepare the phenol means? You should be write this equation. So, okay. Anyhow, benzene sulfuric acid on reacts with the sodium hydroxide. What is the formula for sodium hydroxide? NaOH. Okay. Sodium hydroxide, and about the temperature 623 Kelvin. Okay. We get SO3H will be replaced and adding NaO. That means ONA. ONA. Am I right? The benzene ring attaching ONA. ONA. That is about the sodium phenoxide, and again followed by the acid hydrolysis, adding hydrochloric acid, HCl. So Na combines with the chlorine to form NaCl. The hydrogen will be attached to the oxygen atom. So we get phenol. Okay, phenol. Okay, very important question. Preparation of phenol from Dow's process, and about the preparation of phenol from benzene sulfuric acid. Benzene sulfuric acid. And about that, how will you prepare the phenol from aniline? Okay, how will you prepare phenol from aniline? Okay, this is also one of the important question. What is the formula for aniline? C6H5 NH2. One of the NH2 group is we are adding So the name of the compound is aniline. Okay. Aniline. Okay. Anyhow, from aniline, this one react with otherwise with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid. What is the formula for nitrous acid? HNO2. HNO2. Okay, not HNO3. HNO2. Nitrous acid. This nitrous acid can be prepared by the reaction between sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. NaNO2 plus hydrochloric acid. Okay, sodium nitrite and hydrochloric acid. We get nitrous acid. Anyhow, at the temperature is about 273 Kelvin. Okay, 273 to 278 Kelvin. Okay, we get benzene diazonium chloride. What's the compound is obtained? Benzene diazonium chloride. Because here I have one of the nitrogen. The nitrogen also will be attached here. Anyhow, hydrogen and also oxygen combines to water. The chlorine will be also here attached here. So we get the compound is one of the benzene ring. Okay, two nitrogen is there. N double bond N and also chlorine also will be attached there. We get benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Diazonium is having nitrogen double bond. Nitrogen. Okay, two nitrogen is there. So we are saying diazonium. Okay, diazonium chloride. This is on hydrolysis with water. Okay, it's on hydrolysis with water. Adding water, H2H. So hydrogen combines to chlorine to form hydrochloric acid. The 2N2 we get nitrogen molecule and also the OH group is attached there. The OH group will be attached to the benzene. Okay. So when we are adding to OH group to the benzene, can you say what is the compound? That is about the phenol plus N2 plus HCl. Okay. So from aniline, how will you prepare the phenol? So anyhow, this aniline undergoes a diazotation. We get benzene diazonium chloride. The formula for benzene diazonium chloride C6H5 N2Cl, which on further hydrolysis with water we get phenol. This is about the third preparation. And the fourth one is about that from cumin, how will you prepare phenol? This is one of the industrial preparation of phenol. The very important question. Industrial preparation of phenol. Okay. This is also one of the problem question. Question also asked like the problem from the 3 mark questions also. Maybe in the 5 mark question. Okay, Rika? Try to learn this question. From cumin, how will you prepare phenol? From cumin, how will you prepare phenol? This is the question. Anyhow, first we are taking the reagent is about that benzene with propylene, otherwise called propene. Okay, benzene. What is the formula for benzene? C6H6. I am drawing the structure. This is about the benzene. So, propene formula CH3, CH, double bond CH2. Okay? CH3, CH, double bond CH2. The temperature is about 523 Kelvin. H3PO4. Can you say what is the name of the compound H3PO4? The third lesson I told you. Phosphoric acid. Okay, orthophosphoric acid. Otherwise, phosphoric acid. So anyhow, this group, the propane group, that is propane group is attached to benzene. Suppose here attached means here having carbon and hydrogen element is present. One of the hydrogen should be removed. Am I right? This hydrogen should be attached to the CH2 group. So the CH2 group is converted to CH3. Am I right? CH2 group is converted to CH3. The double bond also is converted to single bond. Okay, so we get one of the compound is like that. Okay, I am trying the center here, CH. In the up, I am trying this CH3 methyl group and one more methyl group on this side. Okay, we get one of the compound is called cumin. Okay, the name of the compound is cumin. Okay, this cumin on react with the air. And about 5% of aqueous Na sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. So we are adding oxygen atom. The oxygen atom will be attached to in between the carbon and the hydrogen. We get human hydroperoxide. That means the oxygen is attached in between carbon and hydrogen. So we get it is converted into COOH. Am I right? So this here also has one methylene group. Here also one methyl group. Am I right? So the name of the compound is human hydroperoxide. Human hydroperoxide. Okay, and also undergoes followed by the acid hydrolysis. Otherwise adding sulfuric acid. Okay, so it is divided into two products. Can you say what's the name of this compound? CH3 COCH3. CH3 COCH3 and also benzene with one of the OH. We get benzene with one of the OH plus OH. Okay, here this is equivalent to alternate double bond. Okay, otherwise we can be used like that, alternate double bond. This is also correct. This also correct. This is about the phenol. Sorry, phenol and acetone. CH3CO CH3. Okay, CH3CO CH3 acetone. Okay. Can you learn about the preparation of phenol? Manufacture of phenol? Can you learn about the manufacture of phenol? It's a very important question. Please always try to learn this question from cumin. How will you prepare phenol? Once again, I am explaining you. Very important question. This is one of the problem question. Try to learn this question. Okay. Cumin, first you should be draw the structure of benzene. Benzene on react with the propene. The formula is CH3, CH, double bond, CH2, propene. Okay, this propene, in the presence of H3PO4, there is a phosphoric acid. This propene is attached to benzene group. One of the hydrogen will be replaced. Okay, here hydrogen having, it will be replaced and attached to this CH2 group. So the CH2 is converted into CH3. Am I right? The double bond is converted into a single bond. So this group will be attached above the benzene ring. Okay. CH, first I am taking CH, both the two sides CH3. One is here CH3, another one is okay, CH3. Again undergoes oxidation, adding oxygen. Okay, adding air, oxygen. The presence of 5% of sodium carbonate also we are adding. The OH is attached in between the carbon and hydrogen. So the CH group is converted into COOH. Okay. COOH. Okay, this is CH3, above also CH3. And about followed by the acid hydrolysis, that means adding sulfuric acid. So we get CH3CO, CH3. What is about the CH3CO, CH3? That is about the acetone. The benzene with OH to form phenol. Benzene with OH to form phenol, and also we get acetone. CH3CO, CH3. Okay, it's a very important question. Try to write this name of the compound: benzene, propene. This is about the cumin hydroperoxide, phenol, and also acetone. Okay, can I write? It's a very important question. Try to learn this question. Okay. Next about the assignment I am giving. We shall be learn about the assignment. Please all of you try to learn the assignment. So because the assignment is very, very important. Try to learn. Very important question. That is preparation of phenol. One is about the Dawes process. Second one is about the from cumin. Okay. These two questions I am giving for the assignment. Please all write the assignment. Okay. Thank you all for thank you. Have a nice day.